Good morning, everyone. It's 12th September, and let's quickly have a look at the headlines of the day. So, in the first page of the Indian Express, there's a news of Ramdev and Balakrishna gets showpiece Uttarakhand tourism project for which 3 firms bid. All are controlled by Balakrishna. This is a news relevant from the GS paper 3 economy perspective as well as polity and governance GS paper 2. Then let's look at the second news. US warms up. New envoy says trade talks next week. Rubio flags India as a top relationship. Then this news is relevant from GS paper 2 international relations perspective. Similarly, this news from Nepal, protesters split, president looks within Nepal, waits for the new government, as well as the similar news here. DJ rapper, climate activist, the many faces of Nepal's leaderless Gen Z revolt, also relevant from international relations perspective. Then let's quickly move on to the fourth page of Indian Express, where we have the news Bengali speaking migrant workers trickle back to Gurgaon to resume work. This is relevant from GS3 economy perspective, as well as here a news will clean Yamuna, restore rivers health in 3 years, says the government. This is important from the environment perspective, GS paper 3. Now let's quickly move ahead. Let's come directly to page 8, where the news is Prime Minister Modi's Manipur visit, long overdue, healing touch needed. It is very important from the internal security perspective, GS paper 3, as well as society perspective, GS paper 1. Now let's look at the page 9. If a wing of democracy fails, would court have to sit idle, says Supreme Court, reserves verdict. This is important from polity and governance perspective, GS paper 2. Now let's move ahead. The editorial page of Indian Express, the first editorial, a sense of drift, democracy seems overtaken once more. It is very relevant from polity and governance perspective as well as society perspective. Now the second editorial, no magic pill, also relevant from governance perspective as well as health perspective. This talks about reshaping obesity care. Now let's move ahead. Now let's move on to the page 13, where the news is Kerala High Court gives approval to Global Ayyappa Sanganam, sets conditions, GS paper 2 polity perspective. Then Indian Armed Forces all-women team to circumnavigate the globe. It is very important from the society perspective, GS paper 1. Talk about 14 page Indus Treaty and Strategy, very important from IR perspective as well as national security perspective, GS paper 3. Why NASA says we may be close ever to discovering life on Mars. This is very important for science and tech. Then here there's a very important news for history as well, when Swami Vivekananda introduced America to Vedanta. Then coming to the page 15, US consumer inflation heats up, GS3 economy perspective and important news. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching What to Read, and we'll see you again. Bye bye. Take care.